It is 43 degrees. The temperature keeps fluctuating because due to winter time, unfortunately. And we got low tires. So instead of running out, we're gonna do this. She picked up this cheap little pump off of Amazon. Got just enough cord so it reaches outside. Put it on there, pinch it down. See if we can show that. You set the PSI you want it to, which I have it on 40. Hit the power button. And about a minute and a half later, you have 40 pounds of pressure. And if you can't see what the hell you're doing, it comes with this little light.